honestly, for the money, that's the best exhaust I've ever put on. Hey guys, it's your boy Al coming back to you with a new video. We have the Flashark pre-tire exhaust for the 2015 through 2020 F-150s right in front of me, and today we're going to be installing it on your boy Dale's truck. Stick along for the video. I haven't heard one of these on YouTube yet before. I'm pretty excited to hear it. And we're going from a real big muffler to a real small one. Let's get right into it. So we got a little treat for you over here. We're gonna be putting this on your boy Dale's truck. So we got the Flashark pre-tire exhaust kit over here. So as you guys know, Flashark has been making a big name for themselves. They've been getting into the performance industry at a very affordable price. So we picked this up for Dale's F-150. It is 100% completely stock. We're gonna get this thrown in. What I like about this system is it's got the seamless tips, which look really nice. They're a good size and they will look good underneath the truck. What else I really like is this kit bolts up to your factory exhaust system. They give you an extension piece that's long enough for a crew cab 6.5 foot bed. My favorite part is that this is a single in so that you can bolt it up to your factory system, but it's an actual dual outlet, and it has two real pipes going from the back of the muffler out the side of the truck instead of like my on-3 system over here. It's a dual tip as well, except it goes down to one single 3-inch system. So having the extra flow out the back of the muffler is advantageous to me, in my personal opinion. The other thing that's cool is you can see this is all stainless, of course, and it is TIG welded, and the welds look pretty freaking decent. So the other nice thing, they come with band clamps, band style clamps, and the best part about this entire thing right here is the fact that like this entire kit is around $300 with my discount code in the description below. Save you guys 15%. And yeah, let's get this thing thrown in Dale's truck. Let's see what it sounds like stock with a couple revs. Throw this thing in, see how it sounds after that. All right, guys, we're doing a little bit of rough assembly on the old Flashark kit right here. Got it kind of mocked up, got the tips on there, got the two pipes. You can tell which pipe goes where, not only by these guys on here, but also these two brackets have to go together. And if the pipes were flipped, the two brackets would not line up. So what do you think?
I think that shit looks really good.
It does look really good. All right, we're gonna get the truck in here and throw this thing on. You look like a cat that's been left out in the rain. Dale stock exhaust down here, and now we're gonna start throwing that guy. Looks so much better. Like, I mean, that's like straight up work truck.
That looks like doo-doo.
Doo-doo. Looks like...
Can I say that on YouTube?
Looks like Dale's first girlfriend or something. All right, let's get this stuff in there. All right, y'all, here's our midway progress update on the exhaust. So you can see we got the little ball and socket adapter that goes in the stock Y pipe. We got our two bolts in there, our muffler, and you can see we did not end up using the extension piece that it comes with. That must be for like extended cabs or crew cabs. And you can see this lines up with the factory hanger. Back here, we got everything loose still. It is not in its final home. And then the last thing, there's a hanger on the outside of the exhaust, on the outside of the frame. And we have this bracket right here. And you might be wondering, well, where's the hardware for it? What we did was we took this stock exhaust mount, which normally goes right back here, and we took the bolts out of it, and then there's these J-clips in the frame. We pulled those out as well. And so you can see we put the J-clips in right there, and we're going to mount this with the hardware that came out of there, and they gave us a rubber isolator, so we're going to use that between the two. We'll have both of our hangers hooked up. We're going to tighten up the pipes and get them all aligned, and then we should be sitting pretty good. Yeah, ready to hear it. We got this thing still up in the air. The tips look really good. Forward facing one has a little bit more of a downward angle, which you can only notice when you're like directly level with it. When it's on the ground, it actually looks pretty dang good. But here it is, all up in there. We got the tips all nice and tight. Everything's tight. And it just looks really freaking good. Now, I will tell you, this exhaust is only $299 on their website right now. So last time I checked, an MBRP was $699 for something like this. And so as long as this sounds good and it doesn't have a ton of drone, I think this is the freaking way to go. Definitely gotta go for a ride.
Dude. Fucking glasses got fogged out.
Bro, that sounds amazing.
Dude, I'm surprised.
Like, you don't have high expectations for something that costs $299, but that sounds really good actually. It's throaty, it's deep, it's got a little bit of like, I wouldn't call it rasp, but I'd say it's got a little bit of like crispiness to it. Got a little bit of like, and it's got a little burble coming down. Now, this truck's 100% stock. So stock tune, stock manifold, stock exhaust manifold, stock cats, 100%.
Yeah.
So keep that in mind. But
Highly recommend it. That sounds great.
awesome.
$300 and you can use Alex discount code.
Save you some money.
Save you some money.
Let's go drive it.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Ooh.
It's a nice little shot of the exhaust. Because he only needs to go like the 1-2 shift, and he's going like all the way out to 3-4 shift. And he's driving way past the road that's easy to turn around on. He's having fun. He's having a good time. far. Parking lot, very manageable.
Yeah. It doesn't have to sound loud.
No, it's actually like, I almost feel like this is gonna be like Bonnie, where it's got a nice bark to it, but it's actually pretty
You can
reserved.
you can manage it. Yeah, that's the best way to put it. Because I'm barely giving it throttle.
You're barely giving it throttle, but it's not like the twin turbo truck where it's like retarded. Did you just put your turn signal on?
Yeah.
The fuck?
Dude,
That sounds good.
that ain't bad.
It's got like a nice bark to it, but it's not like really upset the neighbors.
No, not yet.
No.
That's what we put the long view headers in.
Yeah.
But like if you're looking for something to wake up your 5.0 F-150, this is it for a budget.
Yeah.
Like this is it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's got no drones so far.
I'll even put cruise control on for you. Cruise control at 60. Just wait a second. That's not bad so far. I still think it's gonna downshift it.
Go downshift one more.
It's 9 out of 10 right now, so it might shift into 10th. Yeah, just in 10th. So this is 10th gear to 60.
Bro. There's no drone.
Yeah.
Like you can hear it a little bit. You can definitely tell it's got a muffler on it.
Manageable.
Guys, that's actually very impressive. Like, not even putting on an act over here. Like that is for $300.
You can't go wrong.
You cannot get any better. Like $300. Yeah. Honestly, I really like it.
I'm pretty much in love with it right now.
This sounds really good.
Yeah, dude, I like that. I like that a lot.
That sounds really good.
Compared to the alternatives, what, $600 for the next one up?
Yeah.
Half price.
Bro, that sounds really good.
Oh, man. I mean, for a daily driver, that's not too loud, but also sounds great.
Yeah.
You can't beat it.
No, this is like, honestly, for the money, that's the best exhaust I've ever put on. Oh, she had a little burble there.
Ooh. Like, check out Flashark. They got something going right for them.
Yeah. Bro, those downshifts are good too.
Yeah. It didn't burble too much that time, but they sound nice.
Yeah. Kept bringing the RPMs up. You're gonna piss off all the townies, bro.
Oh, God. That wasn't me. That wasn't me. That wasn't me.
I'm totally blaming you. Let me know what you think about the exhaust in the comments down below. For $240 with my discount code ALEC, or clicking the link in the description down below, I don't think you can beat it. I also think it's just about to get even better. We're gonna put long tube headers and high flow cats on this thing. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that video coming out here in the near future. But until I see you guys next time, peace. Damn.